Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Jira Roadmap tutorial, we will understand about the Jira Advanced Roadmap and how you can enable Jira Advanced Roadmap. So till now we have been looking into the Jira Basic Roadmap, which is part of the free trial or free version of Jira, which is free for up to 10 users. And we have been working with Jira Cloud. Now to enable Jira Roadmap, which is Advanced Roadmap, you have to get the premium version of Jira or enroll for the premium version. So let's go ahead and see how you can enable premium version and get access to Jira Advanced Roadmap. So once you're logged in as an administrator, go to the settings and go to the billing section. In the billing section, you will get the option to change your billing. And please make sure if you're changing the billing, there are options to basically subscribe to the higher version and then move it back to the lower version or free version. So here on this page, you go to the manage subscriptions, and in the manage subscription, you will see that these are the products that I am subscribed to, and both of them are free, right? Because I'm just using 2 of the 10 users, and both of the products are free up to 10 users. So I'm on the free plan. Now I do not have access to the Jira Roadmap Premium, then I have to change my billing, right? So on this page, what you need to do is just click on this change, right? So on the Jira software, there's free plan. I want to change it, and you will get different options here, right? So you have the free plan, and you will see what all options are available in the free plan, in the standard plan, okay, and in the premium plan. So if you go to the Advanced Roadmap is not part of the free or standard plan, okay? It is only part of the premium. So we will, in order to learn it, we will go ahead and select the premium plan, okay, and we'll see what all options are present. So you will see that premium is available. There is a trial that we can use, and the trial is available until 4th of November. Okay, so I have to be really quick to complete this whole series on Jira Roadmap. So because until 4th of November, I have to basically ensure that we move back to the free version. So if you're an organization want to get the premium version, then this is what you need to basically do. And you will see that there is no cost premium trial, so you won't be charged anything, okay, and you won't have to pay anything until November 4. All right, then what happens is you do not have to add any payment details as well. So in case after 4th of November you want to keep using this premium, then you have to add the payment details to keep using premium. Otherwise you can change back to the free version. Okay, so if you don't add the premium, if you don't want, prior to that you just switch to the premium to the free version. So I'll just say agree to the terms and service and privacy policy, go through these and click on upgrade. So now this version of Jira will be, you will see that this is now in the free trial and this is the premium plan. Okay, the plan has been changed. It is that quick, and you will see that it is free until November 4. So once your subscription has been upgraded to the premium plan, you will be having access to the Jira Advanced Roadmap. Okay, now if we go to the roadmap now, okay, you will see this plans tab appear, and this is basically what the Advanced Roadmap option will look like. So you can use the Advanced Roadmap to see the work of multiple teams and projects, right? So usually in this particular roadmap, this was team specific, which is part of the free version, which is basic. But if you want to use the Advanced Roadmap, which is more of a multiple teams and multiple projects that you can track using the Advanced Roadmap, you can see that from this plans. So from the plans, you can view the shared teams, you can view all plans, you can create plan, you can do some of the settings. Okay, so let's see if we go to the view shared teams, what all options are being displayed. Okay, so there are no shared teams as of now that haven't been created, but you can go ahead and create the teams there. And if we go to the plans, let's see what all plans are available that we can access in the Advanced Roadmap. Okay, so a plan is a roadmap that's always up to date. So basically this is a plan you can create and connect dynamically to existing boards, projects and filters. Okay, so here is what we can create a roadmap or the plan for, or which is at the portfolio level. Okay, and then create plan is to create the plan. When we go to the settings, you can do some of the settings for the Advanced Roadmap. So if you go to the settings, you will see that Advanced Roadmap option is available here, and you can see the permissions, the hierarchy configuration and the roadmap dependencies. So in the permission, what permission you want to assign to the people. So for example, ability to create, view and edit plans, who can do that? So Jira administrators, users, software users, you can add and remove the groups which can use the Advanced Roadmap basically, right? So accordingly, if you think that only Jira administrators, and say for example you create another group for Jira product admin or product owners, then you can add those groups and then remove all of the other groups who don't need to have this edit plan details, right? So this permission you can easily manage here. Okay, similarly, if we go to the hierarchy configuration, you will see at the moment the hierarchy is basically the level is epic, okay, and then story and then subtask, right? So you can create a level, right? So you can create another level. Say for example, I want to track the epic, okay, or say for example I have the very high level feature, and then below that feature there can be multiple epics. So I can create a level name feature, okay, and then I need to create a issue type basically for the feature. So this is more of a Jira administrator task. So in case in your project you are not happy with just epic being the highest level of the issue type, in the Jira Advanced Roadmap maybe you want to have a issue type as a feature which contains multiple epics, then you create a Jira issue type as feature, and then you create that feature, link that feature after searching here, because by default feature issue type is not available in Jira. You have to create a custom issue type feature and then associate that with this level name. So then the feature will be associated with feature, and then epic will be having a association with epic. Then similarly for the story we'll have all other standard issue type, right? And then subtask issue type will be associated with the subtask. So this will be the hierarchy that will be associated, right? But as of now I'll remove that and reset it to what it was. Then advanced roadmap dependencies we'll see, and in the dependencies you will see that the dependencies that you want to assign in the advanced roadmap. So blocks is basically if A blocks B, then A is scheduled before B, right? So this is what you can define in the advanced roadmap settings and dependencies as well. Similarly, I can have other duplicate relates link type, and you can define the link type, the custom link types, and use it in the advanced roadmap setting. Okay, so this is a brief about the activation of advanced roadmap, some of the key items or the settings that you need to go through the advanced roadmap. In the next tutorial, we will start with creation of the first plan in the advanced roadmap and see how you can utilize advanced roadmap into your projects to track multiple teams and multiple projects within the Jira software. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.